Hi guys, let's get started with our math lesson. It says draw to show the pattern blocks you use. So we need two pattern blocks. I'm going to click on shapes. I'm going to click on a line. I'm going to click on the number red. So I need to show two pattern blocks. And here I have two. I have 1, 2. What do we call this shape? Do you remember? It looks like a claw to trap. That's right, it's a trapezoid. Let's look down here. I need 6 pattern blocks. I'm going to cut it down the middle. And I need 6. So there's 1, 2. Aquí arriba, we're going to cut it into triangles. Here I have 1, 2, 3 triangles at the bottom. I'm going to do another set of triangles because we need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we use 6 pattern blocks of triangles. I'm going to make my face a little bit bigger. There you go. Let's go down. It says the holes are the same size. How are the sizes of the equal parts different? So here I have halves, and right here I have fourths. There are more equal parts in the second hole. These parts are, what are they? They're fourths. Let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger. They're fourths. Acá. There are fewer equal parts in the second hole. Aquí tengo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have fourths. These parts are fourths. También. Let's scroll down. Draw to show smaller equal parts. Smaller equal parts than the second one. I'm going to click on my line. So here I have fourths. What's smaller than fourths? A half. So I'm going to cut it down the middle. Right here I have a half. What's smaller? Smaller equal parts than the second one. Oh, that means I'm going to cut it even more because I need it to be smaller than this part. So I'm going to cut it right there. And then I'm going to cut it one more down. And one more down. These are smaller parts, or these are eighths. I almost messed up. I caught myself. So I need to make it smaller than the half. What is smaller? Cut it down the middle. And like that, fourths. So what is smaller? It's the fourths. Let's go down. Draw to show larger equal parts. Larger, más grande. That's what I thought we were doing in the other one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need it larger. So you know what? I'm just going to cut it into fourths, because this part is larger than this one. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need it to be larger. And you know what? Let's just cut it down the middle and stop right there. Oh, that's not down the middle. Right here. Down the middle. Because one piece right here is way bigger than one piece right there. Let's keep going. It says, read each label. Draw to show the equal parts on the second hole. More equal parts. So I need more equal parts than this half. I'm going to go down the middle. Down the middle again. We have more equal parts. Now we have 4. Instead of 2, we have 4. Fewer. Now I need fewer. This one I needed more. Now I need fewer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to cut it like this. Fewer, bien poquitos, que no hay muchos. Let's keep going down. Two posters are the same size. A half of one poster is red. So a half of a poster is red. Like this. So this is all red. This is all red. This is all red right here. Pretend I colored it all. And a fourth of the other poster is blue. So let me get a line, a blue line. And we gotta cut it into fourths. I don't like those. Let me erase it. So I'm gonna draw a blue line down the middle. And one more so I can create a fourth. And remember, 1/4 is blue, so I'm gonna color it in. I'm gonna color this one in. Is the red part or the blue part larger? Draw and write to explain. So now we need to explain. Why? Which one's bigger? The red one or the blue one? Which one's bigger? The red one is bigger. So we're going to write the red part is bigger than the blue part because, why? Because the red part is only cut in half, while the blue part is cut into 4 parts. Let's keep going to question number 8. 3 cakes are the same size. Read each label. I have eighths, fourths, and half. Draw to show the cakes divided into those equal parts. How do the sizes of the parts change when there are fewer equal parts? So first, let's draw. I'm going to do the red one. I'm going to do a line. So I need to cut this one into eighths. I have halves. I have fourths right there. Now I have eighths. Right here, I need fourths. I have 2. Now I have 4. And right here, I need halves. I need 2. So the question is, how do the sizes of the parts change when there are fewer equal parts? So which one has less? Which one has fewer? 8, 4, or 2? The 2, this one has fewer equal parts. So then that means that this part right here is bigger. So the fewer equal parts, the bigger it is. Do we see that? Because 1/8 is really small compared to 1/2. And even 1/4 is smaller than 1/2. Let's keep going. Okay, we only have not question 9 and question 10. Question 9. 2 cards are the same size. The red card is cut into half. So let's do it. I have a red card. Oh, let me close it right here. I have a red card and it's cut in half. The green card, I have a green card. I I have a green card, and that is cut into fourths. That's cut into fourths. So I'm going to cut down the middle and one more. Which card has more parts? Which one has more parts? This one has 2 and this one has 4. So I'm going to write the green card has more parts. This one has 4. Suppose there is a blue card that is the same size as the green card. If the blue card is cut into more equal parts than the green card, will blue parts be larger? Let's try it. So if I have a blue one and the blue card is cut into more equal parts than the green one, will they be bigger? Let's see. I'm going to pretend this is blue. I'm cutting it into more pieces. Are they bigger or smaller? They're smaller. The blue parts are smaller. Because why? Because they are cut into bigger amount of pieces. That's why they're smaller. Right here I have 2, so 1/2 is bigger than 1/8. So the bigger the denominator, the smaller the piece. And our last question, which word completes the sentence? The red rectangle has blank equal parts than the blue rectangle. Larger, smaller, or fewer? Let's see. So this is 2 halves. So this is halves right here. And this is eighths. The red rectangle has how many parts? It has 8. The blue has 2. The rectangle has fewer, smaller, or larger. It doesn't have fewer, it has more. But the size, the red rectangle parts, this right here is way smaller than 1/2. So our answer is smaller. The rectangle has smaller equal parts. Okay, guys, thank you for stopping by and doing this lesson with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.